no passinho pra cima, 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 no passinho pra cima.
The city is pretty when it's dead, just like a flower. What colors the CN Towers? Red tonight, just like the text I sent you from the bed.
Off. We're gonna go over here. And then posing wise, we keep it simple.
Okay.
Do some standing up straight, some against the wall right here, some with the hands here, here, then like with the hair, all that. Simple.
Okay.
The usual.
Okay.
And I'm gonna use this over here. Is the microphone's recording?
It is, yeah.
All right. So I'm gonna turn this up to the side right now. We are using the Zhiyun B500, the Molus. And as you can see, this light is pretty powerful because the clouds came out of nowhere. So we don't got the sunlight anymore, but we're gonna make it work. So, exactly, it didn't make sense. Okay, 3, 2, 1. 1. All right, got it. Go ahead. Oh, I got you. Of course, of course. All right. Excellent. Take a picture. I'm gonna clean the. I got a Zhiyun B500 with a little small rig softbox on there, and that's what's giving her the light right here. And it better not rain. We got like 61 people in here. All right, hey, what's up, fellas and ladies? Just ladies. Don't want to discriminate. 3. These things are so annoying. And over to the side, you'll probably see Alma walking around. Shout out to my boy Alma. You ready? 3, 2, and 1. The lighting actually looks pretty good. Chin up just a little bit. Perfect. Let's go right here. I'm gonna do a detail shot. That looks great. 3, 2, and 1. So right now, I'm getting detail shots. I like to go F4. I'll just boost the ISO just a little bit. And Super has some really good designs. I like this little clip that they have here. So I'm gonna grab a picture of that right there. Turn the head a little bit more this way. Nope, opposite. Right there, yeah. 3, 2, 1. Right there, perfect. And then I'll have you look this way. Yep, and then you can put your whole, like your back against the wall. Yep, and then both legs straight. Just like that, and then look that way. 3, 2, 1. And then have the mouth completely closed this time. Right there. Perfect. We'll do one to the side. Perfect. And then you can just give me the eyes. Amazing. 3, 2. Hopefully this is working. It looks like it is. It says it's 61 people, but hey, 1. I like that. You're gonna do that same thing. I'm hoping these little drops that I feel don't continue, kind of scared. All right, right there, perfect. Let's Photoshop later. All right, 3. One more. It's annoying. All right, 3, 2, and 1. I can feel it. I can feel rain coming. I'm gonna call it. I tried my best to give you guys a little something different. It lasted all about 8 to 10 minutes, but.
Is it falling on you?
I mean, we got this.
I don't think she can feel it.
She can't feel it.
I don't see her there.
I'm just scared because I don't want the rain to hit the left. Put the leg a little bit more this way, right there. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. Yes, give me some smiles. Amazing, I like that right there. Perfect, yes. These are looking great. Let's do something to the side again. 3, yeah, that side. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. And then we'll do something serious. And then, yep, play around with the hair. Amazing. And now I'm just gonna get a different angle. 2 and 1. Perfect. Just do one detail. Same thing. Detail one more time. 3, 2, and 1. I'm so scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared. All right. Let's see. I wanted you to sit down, but this looks kind of dirty. So, yeah, no, so we won't sit down. Maybe a chair instead. I'm gonna give it like 2 minutes. So we'll do some poses and just give me a couple of them and then we'll get out of here before. Yeah, now it's starting to move. Okay, yes. 3, 2, and perfect. That looks amazing. I like that. Go ahead, do that one more time. My bad. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. That looks great right there. Chin up a little bit, look this way. Yes, hold that. Perfect. And then do one from, sit on the side of it. Yep, and then you're gonna sit forward. Yep. Oh no. I'm scared. Yeah. We'll do like 2 pictures. 3, 2, and 1. It's not, but still, all it takes is that one drop. All right, listen, I tried my best. It is raining. It's not too bad, but I'm scared. I've had some bad issues with rain and the sea. So we're gonna cut it. And Danny, we can do a quick outro real quick.
Oh, yeah, I just like left it to rain.
All right, it is raining. We have to go. Hope you guys enjoyed the shoot. Hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. I tried my best. The weather is not permitting, but hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to follow Danny on Instagram. I'll put her Instagram down below. When she starts a YouTube, which should be soon. I'll start it also. Is this stopped raining?
It is.
Yo, all right, you know what? Hold on, Miami's wild. All right, you know what? We're gonna keep it going. Even though this is probably God saying, yo, pick up your stuff and leave. You know what? All right, we're gonna keep it moving. We're gonna keep it moving.
It's live.
All right, let's just do a couple more. A fake sign off, but I might use it for the real sign off. So I appreciate you guys watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one. Just in case. All right, so we'll do the same exact thing.
That's crazy.
Exactly. We will get it done. I know, but it's Miami. All right, 3, 2, and 1. As the mosquitoes continue to bite me.
I know you've been